Ever wished your older marine instruments could talk to your latest Raymarine setup without a hassle? The SeaTalk-NG Converter Kit makes that possible. It bridges the gap between classic SeaTalk-1 devices and the advanced SeaTalk-NG network, so you don't have to ditch your trusted gear to enjoy cutting-edge navigation. I recently tested this compact converter, and the experience was smoother than expected. Connecting my legacy Autopilot, ST6001 Plus, ST60 series wind instruments, and TriData sensors to my new Axiom 7 multifunction display was surprisingly straightforward. Once linked, I could follow GPS tracks directly with the Autopilot and view wind and TriData information all in one dashboard. It felt like my boat's entire system finally spoke the same language. What you get is a reliable, plug-and-play solution made in Hungary, designed to fit seamlessly in line with your existing instrument network. It supports a variety of legacy devices, including ST40, ST60 Plus, Raystar 125 GPS sensors, and even LifeTag wireless man-overboard systems. That means no need to replace your trusted equipment, just upgrade your boat's connectivity. If you're considering an upgrade but don't want to lose your current instruments, this converter kit is worth a look. It saves time, money, and the frustration of rewiring your entire setup. Try it when you're ready to bring your older SeaTalk devices into the modern Raymarine ecosystem effortlessly.